Hello and welcome to another Bunny and Teddy video diary, and this is an entry you don't want to miss. If you're a regular viewer of the channel, you'll remember the way Bunny celebrated her 50th birthday. I tried to make it as special as I could, even though she wasn't best pleased to have turned 50. Here we are then now. It's the week after Bunny's 50th birthday, and how are you feeling then, Bunny, being a 50-year-old?
That's a good question, Teds. I wasn't expecting to have in my 50th year so many health issues and being jobless and ongoing health issues, and it's taking a long while for me to really get up and be on my feet.
For her 51st, I pulled out all the stops to try and top her 50th and make it a day to remember for a long time. In this mini series of videos, we'll take you through the birthday itself, from breakfast to opening presents, making and decorating her own cake, to then taking her to the dizzying heights of Southport in a massive birthday surprise that she'll never forget, with a couple of special extra videos at the end of the series to finish it off with. You're not going to want to miss any of this, so please press subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of all the videos coming up in this series, and please give them a thumbs up as you watch them. So let's now take you back to the 14th of May and start the saga of Bunny's 51st. Hello and welcome to another Bunny and Teddy video diary, and in this one it's another special day for Bunny. She's been back in the kitchen, but this time she's still in the kitchen on her birthday. She's 51 today. Here's Bunny.
Happy birthday to me.
You've only just got up?
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm with my gown and yeah, just got up.
So what are we doing then?
Well, I didn't have a chance to do a cake.
She's making her own birthday cake.
Yeah. So I didn't have the chance yesterday because it was a bit of a busy day. And today, would you believe, it's a bit of a special day, yes, but I've got to go hospital. It's for my foot. I've got to go to the podiatry section. So it's at 2:30 today. In fact, my day, originally the plan was to have a chill out day today here, but it's not going to be like that. So I've got a friend who's popping round any minute before. I'm trying to go to mass today between now and 11:30. So I'm going to try and make my cake. As I just woke up, I'm going to make a red velvet cake. So here I've got 225 grams of butter and some water. I'm going to add cocoa powder.
So 55 grams of cocoa powder. How many grams of butter you got there?
225.
225. You're putting that in there as well? Right.
Stirring without without boiling. Right, on the stove. Well, the kitchen is a bit in a mess, guys. Sorry.
No, we had a nice meal last night, didn't we? Octopus. We didn't video it because we had a guest with us, and she's Mauritian as well. So it was a very Mauritian evening, wasn't it? And what with Eurovision as well. It's now 9 o'clock, all thereabout, Sunday morning.
So I'm going to melt that and then cool it down a little bit. I'm going to add a bit more water.
Melt the butter and then cool it down. Right, yeah. Okay.
I've done my buttermilk here. This is homemade buttermilk.
And how did you do that?
It says 200 and a few drops of vinegar in some milk. And when you curdle like that, you can see it's a bit frothy. That's buttermilk instead of buying.
So you don't have to do anything as such then?
No, you can make your own buttermilk at home.
Just vinegar. How much vinegar then?
A few drops.
Just a few drops, send the milk like that?
Well, yes. We call it back home du lait caillé. You can smell the vinegar in it.
Oh wow.
It's good. Oops, I'm going in here. See, not to boil. Uh-oh. Chocolate is burning. Ooh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Is that Bunny's first disaster in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Burning the butter. Oh yeah. Too busy looking at buttermilk there.
Yeah.
I think we've salvaged it. You haven't got to let it boil, apparently, so that was on the way.
I've put my oven on 180 to preheat.
So it's 180 fan for the cake when it's ready to go in.
I think I'm going to leave it like that, not to...
Yeah?
Yeah. There's just a tiny bit of butter that needs to...
It'll probably melt anyway, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Leave that to cool down.
So we're now letting that cool down.
We put that on there. That's the colouring that I couldn't get yesterday, guys. We've got a bit of a rupture of stock. So I had to run in another supermarket shop to get that one. So here it says 280 grams of plain flour and corn flour. 280 grams of caster sugar.
What recipe are you following then?
I got that from work.
Oh.
No. I fancy it.
Okay.
280 grams. 30 grams of 55 grams of corn flour.
So that's 55 of corn flour.
280, yes.
A flour.
Plain flour.
Same amount of plain flour as caster sugar.
Yeah.
280 grams.
Sheave the flour.
You want in that?
Yeah, take that one here. Right, in here now they say in the buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence in the buttermilk.
Well, that's not it, is it?
Yeah.
Isn't it? That's vanilla essence.
Yeah.
Bloody hell, that's a big bottle. Where do you get that from?
Delicious.
So that's the sort of bottle you get then, guys, from Mauritius for vanilla essence. But I mean, it's pretty well serviced out there.
It's cheaper.
It's a lot cheaper to do because obviously it's all out there really. All the vanilla pods.
I didn't say I have put 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder in this mixture.
Right.
Okay. Right. I think now it's a question of mixing everything together.
You've got flour in your eye.
So here it says beat together the egg, buttermilk, vanilla extra, and food coloring. How much is the food coloring? 2 teaspoons as well.
Using a nice little set of spoons there. They're very useful for this sort of thing.
Yeah.
So that's the food colouring into the buttermilk.
Yeah, and then we crack the egg. You've tested the eggs for me?
Yes.
Right, let's stir the buttermilk. Look at this.
That's why it's called red velvet cake. Without sounding stupid.
Some people I've heard that some people put beetroot juice.
Yeah. Is that the vegan sort?
Not necessarily. I think you do get a better colour with beetroot juice. Thank you for doing my eggs. Mix it with here. Give that a good whisk. Right, whisk. I think we've got all the ingredients now. I think it's a question of seeing whether the chocolate mixture there is
cool enough.
Let's have a look at the temperature of that. I'm adding my buttermilk mixture with eggs colouring in there.
Yeah, that's flour, caster sugar and
corn flour.
corn flour as well.
Yeah. Okay.
And then in the meantime, I've cut rounds for the 2 tins that the cake mixture's going to go in, and that's been buttered as well.
This is more pink. I want it to go red.
It's all right.
I'm going to add a bit more.
Oh, bunny.
More red. It's pink. It's not red, is it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's better. That's better.
Well, it is more red. It must be said, rather than
Right.
pink. So.
And then in here we add this mixture of chocolate, cocoa powder and butter mixture that has melted and cooled down. Okay. We go mix, 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 mix. It looks a little bit
Thin?
well, not thin, what's the word? It looks very slushy, but I
It's
think
coming together now, you're stirring though.
yeah, right. In these two now. Right, one. And then two. I hate wasting, guys. Can you tell this is it looks more like a velvet. You can tell it's red, and but I think you do get a better color definitely if you do beetroot juice. Right now 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes at 180.
It's just a case of sticking your little blue thing.
Yeah.
You stick the blue thing in the cake to see if it's clear, and if it's clear, it's done. Is that right?
Yeah.
So check in half an hour,
So one.
see if it's all right, and then if not, give it another 5-10 minutes
And two.
at 180 fan there.
Right in there. Breakfast now.
Breakfast with bunny.
Breakfast.
I'm in charge of breakfast. We've got drop pancakes, I think you call them, I suppose. Oh, there's two already in the microwave. Yes, there's 2 already in the microwave. No, there isn't. There's only one. One's on the table here. Let's have a look. I think you call them drop pancakes or something, don't you? Anyway, that's what we've got in a minute. Bunny's just getting ready. Yes?
Close your eyes, got this surprise for you.
Yeah, okay then.
Okay, open now.
Oh wow. Look at Bunny. That's nice.
Thank you.
Where'd you get that from?
Morrison's.
Did you?
Yeah.
Sneak that one in then.
Yeah.
Well done, Flo. Very
I haven't
nice.
bought something for ages, so.
No, it's yeah, very nice.
Now we're having brekkie. I'm famished.
Oh yeah.
Right, I'm all dressed. I've not put a bit of cream, but no makeup yet because we're having breakfast now. It is 10:30. No, 10:20.
Well, 10:20-ish.
The cake is cooked. I think that one is. That's one of them.
Right. I've done the first of the
Pancake.
pancakey things.
I don't know, guys. Who is more excited for my birthday? Is it me or is it my husband? I always ask myself the question.
Well, I like special days like this. I like Christmas as well. Seeing her little face light up with presents and stuff. Which is coming next after breakfast, obviously.
Yeah.
So join us again for part 2, in which Bunny opens up her birthday presents and get a nice surprise into the bargain, and then she goes on to decorate her own birthday cake. So join us in part 2, don't miss it, stay subscribed and hit the bell, leave a comment and a like. See you next time, bye for now.